Hello, I'm Ashley, the engineer at Andover Norton, and on a daily basis we get asked questions that are readily available either in the parts list or in a manual. Now, despite the website being very good and showing the exploded diagrams, it doesn't always give you the old part numbers which we can use to cross-reference on our system here of our parts list. The parts you see on the web are only about most probably a 20th or a third of what we actually hold in the stores. We hold other stuff because if you imagine something like a centre stand has a finished part number, that's what you'll see in a parts book, but all the individual components that go to making up the centre stand have their own drawing number, and we have individual parts on the shelf to make them up. So the documentation we have here is vast. We have stuff for BSA's, Triumph, Norton, Ducatis, BMW. We've got an awful lot of stuff going back to the 30s, parts books, workshop manuals, you even have the riders' handbooks, some of the older stuff, rarer stuff, along with the more modern and readily available stuff. You may be thinking why we're doing this video, but I still refer to the workshop manual because I forget things. And likewise, my parts list, very handy. I have one in the workshop that I can get dirty, as you can see by some of these, and I can also pen numbers in if there's an associated mating part that I know go with it from something else. Always handy to have about. In a short while, we'll go down and get some photographs of the actual drawers of where we got documentation, parts list, manuals, from a vast range of other manufacturers going back a good many years. We may have it. I don't know if it's even ever been catalogued to the extent of what we do hold, but eventually we will get a catalogue list together, so if we do need to refer to it at short notice, we can look at it, see if we got it and get it printed off just to give someone a copy. If that's something that you're interested in, please feel free to get in touch with us. I'm Ashley, and if you want to get hold of me, you can ring me up at Andover Norton or send us an email via the technical line. Thanks very much for your time.